Welcome to an exciting educational journey into the world of apiculture, the art and science of beekeeping. In this video, we will explore the fascinating aspects of beekeeping, from the parts of the hive to the incredible bees that live there. So, let's get started. Before performing any form of physical activity, there are some safety precautions we need to consider. Always wear protective clothing, check all tools before using them, and always have a first aid kit available. Our journey begins with safety. When working with bees, it's important to protect ourselves from potential stings. Beekeepers wear specialized safety gear, including bee suits, veils, and gloves. These ensure that we can work around the hive with confidence and minimize the risk of bee stings. Alongside safety gear, beekeepers use essential equipment to manage the hive. One such tool is the smoker. By gently puffing smoke into the hive, beekeepers calm the bees, making it easier to inspect and work with them. Another essential tool is the hive tool, used to pry open hive components and carefully inspect the frames. Now, let's explore the different parts of the hive. The hive is the home of the bee colony, a bustling hub of activity and cooperation. We begin with the hive cover, the topmost part of the hive. The cover protects the hive from the elements, keeping it dry and insulated. It acts as a shield, safeguarding the bees and their precious honeycombs inside. At the base of the hive, we find the landing board. This is where the bees land and take off, providing a convenient entrance and exit to the hive. Bees navigate the landing board with precision, buzzing in and out as they go about their important tasks. Moving down the hive, we come to the super. The super is like a honey storage chamber. It contains frames where bees store excess honey. As the bees go about their tasks, they fill the frames with honey. Honey is created from the nectar collected by worker bees, stored in the honeycomb cells, and carefully sealed for future use. Beekeepers carefully remove the super to harvest honey, ensuring that there is enough left for the bees to sustain themselves. Now, let's explore the brood chamber, the heart of the hive. It is separated from the honey super by a special device called the queen excluder. The queen excluder is used to prevent the queen from getting into the honey super and laying eggs. The brood chamber, which is at the base of the hive, contains frames with brood cells. This is where the queen lays her eggs. These cells nurture the developing bees, ensuring the colony's growth and survival. Inside the hive, we find a fascinating array of bees. First, we have the workers. These are female bees that perform various tasks, such as foraging for nectar, making honey, and tending to the young. Then there are the drones, male bees whose primary role is to mate with the queen. And finally, we have the queen, the leader of the colony, responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the colony's future. Beyond the hive, beekeepers take additional steps to maintain the hive's health and security. Here we see a farmer pouring water into a trough surrounding the hive. The water acts as a barrier, preventing ants and other insects from crawling into the hive and disturbing the bees. Now, let us put our newfound knowledge to the test with some review questions. Question 1. What is the purpose of wearing a bee suit? Is it A, to keep the beekeeper warm, B, to protect the beekeeper from potential bee stings, or C, to attract bees? The answer is B, to protect the beekeeper from potential bee stings. Question 2. What is the purpose of the queen excluder? Is it A, to separate the workers from the drones, B, to prevent the queen from entering into the super, or C, to allow only drones to enter the hive? The answer is B, to prevent the queen from entering into the super. Question 3. Which type of bee is responsible for collecting nectar? Is it A, the workers, or B, the drones, or C, the queen? The answer is A, the worker bees. Thank you for participating in the review questions. Through this educational journey, we have explored the various objectives of this lesson, the safety measures that are associated with beekeeping, the various parts of the hive, and the remarkable bees that live there. Beekeeping is a fascinating practice that connects us to the wonders of nature. Let us appreciate and protect these insects for the benefit of our ecosystem. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey, and I do hope that you found this video informative and inspiring. And remember to be curious.